Hello friends, I welcome back all of you in Opal Solutions back. Friend, if you are a new YouTuber and looking for to grow your channel using tubebuddy, because the tubebuddy provide a lot of the features and its products which make your YouTube is very clear. So for example, if you use this keyword explorer tool for explore the keywords for your videos and use these videos in your description, title, tags, it make boost to your video and your video get more views and more watch time. But the problem is that tubebuddy is not free. You have to pay dollars for upgrade its license, but as a beginner YouTuber and as a student, it's not possible for you to upgrade your tubebuddy license by paying the money. So the issue is come here. Either it is possible to upgrade your tubebuddy account without paying a single dollar. Actually yes, it's not an illegal way, not any trick. It's only provided by the tubebuddy us to upgrade the tubebuddy license without any cost. And how is it possible? Actually, tubebuddy, to upgrade our license, tubebuddy provide us 7 different ways through which we can upgrade our license for the limited time period and for the whole life. Yes, for the whole life we can upgrade to the pro license without any paying to money to the tubebuddy. So how is it possible and what is the procedure? What is these options we can use the upgrade for the free on tubebuddy? So let's get start the video and I explain everything to you. Okay, you just have to click the link in the description for you. I have placed here and you will directly land on this page. As I explained before, you will see here the 7 different ways to upgrade your tubebuddy license without any paying money to tubebuddy. The first method, which is very easy, when you create the account and install the tubebuddy, you just have to complete a survey about the product and your experience about tubebuddy. You will click it here and it will ask some questions to you and you have to put the answer there. No worry, you can place any of the answer. It will never depend on the trial version you will get. You will definitely upgrade it and tubebuddy will allow you to upgrade by submitting this form. Okay, the other method is affiliate program. And you can see here, if 255 people will get installed tubebuddy through your link, you will upgrade it for legend level for whole of your life. But if you only 50 people get installed through your link, you will upgrade it for the 1 year at the star level. You just have to click it here and it will provide the link and you have just mark it this link in front of other people and you will be upgraded. The third method is you just have to put information of your credit card here and you can upgrade it for any of the level here, which is pro, star and legend. What you have to do, you just have to click it here and another page will open. You just have to enter the credit card information here and press submit. As you will press the submit button, you will upgrade it for tubebuddy for the 1 month. But keep it in mind, at the time of submission it will never charge any money, as it is you can read it here. It after the 30 days you will charge $9 per month, if it will never charge any money if you downgrade from tubebuddy and downgrade your credit card before 30 days, and it could be 29 days, so it will never charge anyone. So this way you can use the tubebuddy free of course for 29 days. Okay, the other method I'm sharing with you, you just have to follow the tubebuddy on Twitter account and you will be upgraded for the pro level for the 3 days. But if it's not enough period for you, you just have to go for the other method, which is the task of tubebuddy. In the other method, you just have to tweet about tubebuddy. and it will upgrade your account, but this upgradation will depend on the tubebuddy Twitter follower of your account. How much follower are at your account, it will decide how much long upgrade license you will get. As the description and details are written here, you can read it for here how much license upgrade you will get from this option. And the other option is you just have to go the community tab of tubebuddy, and there you have to post for tubebuddy. In the community tab you can tell the other people what the tubebuddy is actually doing and your experiences. I mean, any post you can do, but if you post 100 posts for, you will get 1 month upgrade. With the 1000 posts you will get 6 month upgrade, and with the post of 5000 you will get 1 year legend upgrade. Okay, and if this is not for you and you are not interested to post about tubebuddy, and either you think it's a very long process, so okay, I have another very short and useful method for you. Okay, and last I tell you a very short trick for free upgrade on tubebuddy for the 2 months. You just have to create a video about tubebuddy of at least 2 minutes, and in this video you will tell what the tubebuddy is actually and how you can use it. Any topic you can cover in this video about the tubebuddy. For this, for complete this style, you just have to click it here and in the next page, and you will directly land it on this page, which is actually interface for create the videos. But make sure you must have at least 50 subscriber on your channel, and if you have 50 to 1000 subscriber you will get 2 months upgrade for the pro license, and if you have 1001 to 25000 subscriber for 2 months for the star level license, and over 25 subscriber you will get 2 months legend level license of it. Okay, but make sure before coming on this task you must have make visible the all subscriber on your channel, because most of the kaise users get hide their subscriber on YouTube, and tubebuddy can never get the subscriber, and in this way when they come on this task tubebuddy is showing your subscriber is not 50 or more, even their subscriber are more than 50. So but before come on this task, first make visible your subscriber and on YouTube, and then click on here, and then you will see wow, you are qualified for the pro license. Okay, you have to, in this task you have create the video in minimum 10 days, and you can read the instruction here, and when you will create the video, and when you will click on the submit button, it will upgrade your channel for the pro level for the 10 days, because it provides the facility for you to create the video, and before uploading this video on YouTube you can search the tags for this video. For this purpose it will instantly upgrade your license for the 10 days. So when you have created the video you just have to upload it on YouTube, and but make sure your video should be publicly uploaded. Okay, copy the link of the video and come on this page again, and it will show the information when you have started the task, how you can send the link. Actually the process is that you have to send the link to the tubebuddy team, and it will look into your video, and if this is everything okay, it will upgrade your license for the 2 months without pay any money to tubebuddy. So this is all for now, friends. I tell you 7 different ways through which you can upgrade your tubebuddy license without paying any money, as I promised before. So if you think I never explain much, and in any part of the video you feel any confusion, you just have to write the comment in the comment section about your question and I will be placed answer right after there. And if you think this video was helpful for you, what you have to do now, you just have to subscribe my channel and press the bell button, so you will never lose any notification from me as I will upload any video about TubeBuddy, YouTube, how grow your channel, earn money, and computer solutions, and many more as I upload it on my channel. But for now, take care of yourself and bye bye.